Mark here from JBBG. Let's take a look at this Hg126 Airsoft pistol from HFC. It's completely ABS, so it's all plastic, but it has a very good FPS, takes either 0.12 or 0.20 gram BBs, has a large, really good magazine, but the gas actually goes into the bottom of the pistol, not the magazine. And for under £40, I don't think you can go wrong. It has a fixed slide, so no blowback. It also comes in two different colours. It comes in the black and the two-tone blue. Available now on the website. Please take a look.